All right, everybody, it is April 20th, and I'm going to embark on my probably like 500th round of 75 hard. No, I am embarking again on 75 hard. I did it fully in June of 2021. I did it. I started then, and I saw it through, and I lost a lot of weight. It was awesome. And it really focused in on that. Really felt like I mastered that mental discipline thing. And then, like everything, I didn't. Like David Goggins says, you got to keep doing it every day, and I didn't. And so I've gained some of the weight back that I've lost. Not all of it, but I have gained some of it back. And more concerning, I think, even than that, is that I've kind of let myself go as far as mentally and physically. So I'm looking to get that back. That's my goal. And I'm an educator, and I do a lot of stuff. I have 4 kids, 4 daughters, married. I have a lot of part-time jobs too. I'm a professor, adjunct professor of history. I do a lot, and so I'm very busy. So I'm looking to go at this again. Because when I look back at that time, what was very hard, it was probably one of the most awesome times that in my life. I could look back and I just felt like man, I did it. So I'm going to start, and if I start today, April 20th, I will be finishing on July 4th. How awesomely symbolic is that? The 4th of July, right? And then I can get into phase 1 for the whole summer. I just, I will post my weight for today, 287. First time I started 75 hard in 2021, it was almost 320, it was 319. So I have kept some of the weight off, but let's be honest, I have so far to go. So I'm really looking to, not really, it is a weight loss, you're going to lose weight as a result. But that's not what it's about for me. It really is got to be about the mental toughness and discipline to be able to endure that, to endure the trials of life, right? And so that's what my focus is going to be on, why I want to master this program and do it again. So I encourage you, follow along on the journey. I'll be posting updates. We'll try to do it every day. It's so hard. Like I said, I have such a busy schedule. I also run a podcast, an educational podcast. So I'm going to do my very best in posting because I want you to come along on the journey with me. And if I can help anyone here and you can provide value and feedback to me, it is so appreciated. So, all right, let's start day 1. Starting off with the first meal of the day, butter, bacon, beef, and eggs. It's about 1 o'clock. So I'm out here on a bike ride for my workout, and my outdoor workout. It's got to be like 70 degrees. I hate winter, so this is such a welcome thing to have. Great weather. There's the wind. Where the winds. Yeah, like I said before, I've done 75 hard before. I did 1 round. And yeah, I can't tell you how many multiple attempts after that. But it just feels a little bit different this time. That's also the reason I want to document it, because I think if I document it, I will also be holding myself accountable, and hopefully you guys can be like, hey, give me some motivation too. Although, I've got to do this for me. I can't, the outside motivation is nice, but I have to be driven. I can't really look outside. It's got to be me. So again, I'm doing this because I want to further my own mental discipline and just be better. Just be a better leader, father, husband, a human being. All right, guys, so I have been doing yard work for 3 hours, trying to get the house ready just for the spring. I am about to go in and read a book. I think I'm going to be rereading David Goggins' Never Finished, one of my faves. And I'm almost done with my water. Put it in my Stanley right here. And this is big for me because I hate drinking water. Gotta do it. So that's day 1, and keep you posted. See you for day 2.